Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Grand Design Imagine 2500 RL. Rear living. Outdoor speakers, very nice size awning. Let me get the shot of the awning from this back. Nearly the length of the RV, which is very nice. And as we step up inside here, you can see it's a 3-person couch, but with the center armrest, it's a nice two-person couch with a center armrest. U-shaped dining area, and it's in the configuration to allow for sleeping, so it's dropped down. Very nice size flat screen TV, and it is movable, so you can adjust it. Microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop. Nice size oven, not a real large oven, but nice size when you can compare it or pair it with a microwave oven. Exhaust fan in the kitchen. Furrion refrigerator, freezer. Very nice sized bathroom. You know, if you close the doors, it's going to be very big. You're not going to be cramped and stepping all over yourself. Very nice size shower. And then the sink is nice, tucked away in the corner with a medicine cabinet. Really nice underbed storage here, and I really like this bin. So you can put your luggage down there, and then you can put shoes or sweaters, jackets, whatever you wanted on the top. The second door goes out of the bedroom. Pardon me while I drop this bed down. Then we have overbed lighting, overbed storage. We have these little nooks with residential style plugs as well as USB on both sides, so you can plug in your phone, CPAP machine, whatever else you want it to plug in, I guess. Place for your flat screen TV, and it's already pre-wired for cable or satellite. Take another pass through the gathering room, family room. Appreciate you watching. If you got value, give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next video. See you.